Good morning guys, and in front of me is Redmi 13x, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So first of all, you have to open the settings. Then give it a couple of seconds, then find and select About Phone. Go to Backup and Restore, and here you've got Backup under Google Backups. Just mark it. And now here you've got your backup details. As you can see, it is switched off, so click here on Turn On, mark what would you like to backup. In my case it's everything, so both photos and videos along with other device data. Tap on Confirm, and that's it. From now on it is active. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.